SOMRIL is part of the Global Response Innovation Lab, whose founding members include World Vision, Save the Children, Oxfam, George Washington University, and Civic. SOMRIL is hosted by SOMREP, which is a consortium of 7 organizations. The Global RIL has recently developed M&E toolkits to be used for generating evidence of the various pilots that are tested out after passing throughout the processes of convene, matchmaking, and then support finally. The Global RIL toolkit has been contextualized into the Somali context to be piloted and tested out in a recent pilot known as the Education Digital Attendance App, piloted in 3 schools in Puntland. After input from the various stakeholders, those toolkits were tested out in the field, incorporating focus group discussions, key informant interviews, and gathering different information from various sources. And this is the first toolkit that has been tested out throughout the Global RIL overall.